Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put together a quick step-by-step guide just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2018 Mercedes X-Class. It's quite a straightforward reset, just need to follow these instructions. All we need to do to start with, we're just going to need to put it on stage 1 of the ignition. Once we've done so much, we're going to be needing to put it to stage 2. But basically stage 1, just press the button there once. That's stage 2 with all the lights on. If we just go off, that's stage 1 there, so it's just got a couple of the lights on. And the first thing we need to do is get to the main trip screen. So if you use the little buttons on the steering wheel here, you can press the home button, you can then select the trip, and on the trip screen you need to scroll through and you need to be on this screen there. That's the main trip screen. Now once we're on that screen there, we simply need to press and hold the phone button, keep that depressed, and within 1 second of pressing that, we need to press and hold the OK button. And keep both buttons depressed for about 5 seconds till we get a new menu appear. So I'll just do that now. Just sort of have to hold the phone a bit while we do it. You just see a new menu appeared. So it's just simply press and hold the phone accept button, and then straight away after pressing that, press and hold the OK button. Kept them both depressed, and then this new menu's come up. Once on the new menu, if you just scroll down using the arrows there, and you scroll down to Assist Plus. Once on Assist Plus, press the OK, and you've got a new message saying switch on ignition to activate Assist Plus. Once that comes up, just press the button once more, and you get a new message saying depress brake pedal to start. Now press your foot on the brake pedal and just press the OK button, and you get a new message come up there. Once on that menu, scroll down, press OK on full service, and scroll down to confirm service, select the correct oil grade, and it'll just ask you to confirm, and just give you another message again to say it can't be undone. Just simply confirm that, and that's full service complete. Once you've run through all that, the service light's reset, and you can just simply exit out the menu, pressing the home button or just the back button. Back onto the trip. And that's it, service lights reset. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.